Grabe yung tingin ng anak ko. It's Ate Shermel's car day today. So we're going to school together with this baby, Mariah Jean. Kukunin namin ang kanyang card. Taas ba yung grade niya?
Wala ko nagpabango.
Wala ang outfit niya. Dito siya nagpabango. Kala mo na kung saan kami pupunta. Sa school lang tayo, be. Tapos mag-a-unli wings kami after. Di ba, Mariah Jean? Na? Hey! Hey! Ay, mga BFF niya. Ayan. Oh. Dali! Kasi ikaw doon. Dali! Kunin mo yung card ng ate mo doon. Dali! Get your card. Bless ko, bless. Bless ko, bless. Halloween. Natatakot siya. Binibidyohan niya yung sa jowa niya. Si Jacob. Ikaw talaga, bubuli mo na naman yun. Ito yung sa kanya, oh. Ay, Ate Shermel is so pretty. So pretty yarn.
Kunin mo ba to? Akin to.
Yes, of course. Sure. Edit na. Sitakas na natin. Ano na bayaran ba? What are you saying, baby? Pagmamaritesan yung mga magkakaibigan dun. Itingin na sila ng mga cards nila. So we're going to have our brunch here at Lucky Wings. Mag-unlimited chicken wings kami, burger na toasted French fries. Ay, grabe naman grab ko kasapit ko. Walang tao kami lang. Saan ka, bebe? Where you going to sit? Saan mo gusto mo? Ayan. Dito na lang daw kami para may salon. Okay. Saan ka? May electric tan tayo? Okay, dapat makakasama si Mireya. Ayun, makulit doon. Ay, makulit doon. So, ito yung menu nila. So, kukunin namin yung unlimited burger na 439 for 2 hours. Ayan siya, busy siya. Ito siya. Sandali lang, baby. Mag-itirin ako ng flavor siya. Patay, kakain yan. Ito talaga eh.
Say, Ate, tatay.
What do you want? What do you want? You want burger?
Ate, tatay.
Ha?
Yes, burger.
You want burger? Ayan, gusto niya kasi lagi kami nag-cheers kasi andito na ang aming Blue Lemonade. So wala silang burger ngayon. So in-order lang namin yung 399 na only wings. Lalabot ka kay ate, ingay mo daw. Bawal daw maingay dito, bebe. Bawal no standing. Hulog ka.
Ay, babay.
Oh, cheers na tayo, cheers. Dali, cheers.
Here.
Ay, Ate Shermel, Ate Shermel. Cheers! Ah! Sa'yo talaga ako. Ayun, nabasa pa nga. Talaga naman yung batang ito. Batang yan. Nakakalat ka. Ito ang picture ng ate ko. Ganda ng ate ko. Kabebe lang yung smile niya. Ito siya sa personal. Be! Ito naman yung kapatid niyang maingay. Oo, you hold na ate's picture. O, bawal basagin na. Who's that? Sino mas maganda? Yung picture yung personal. Sino mas maganda, be? Solo namin yung place kasi maaga pa wala pa kumakain. Ito naman yung kanyang wacky picture. Ito yung class picture nila na formal ang kanilang mga pagmumukha. Ito ang ating Ate Shermel. Sa bebe. Ito naman ang kanyang boyfriend, si Jacob. Ito naman yung isang wacky post nila. Ngayon naman talaga nitong isang anak na to. And ate has academic achiever. Wala, sige. Mapupunit mo yan, bebe. Ikaw talaga eh. final part. Ang galing naman ang ate ko na yan. Siya oh. Ito na yung kanilang ano. This I think is the cheese, the barbecue, and the sardine. And ito yung kanilang nasi.
Mommy, look, honey.
What?
Honey.
Oh, you eat na. Eat na. This one is nachos, oh. You want this one, oh.
Ayaw.
That's masarap. Eat
Ayaw
na.
daw. Ayaw daw.
Why? How about french fries?
Ayaw.
This is cheese.
Ayaw.
Ate Charmel, oh. Ayaw mag-eat ni Mireya din, oh.
Ayaw.
Lo, nagutom na. Dito sila. Oh, eat na, baby. Eat na. Sarap, oh. Hold na, hold. Mainit lang ng konti. Init. Hawak mo lang, hawak. Eat na, eat. Yan. Very good. Eat, baby. Very good. Lagay mo doon doon. So here's the flavor. I don't know. Maybe this is the salted egg, the garlic parmesan, honey barbecue. What's that? Habanero and ano ba yun?
Spicy.
Hindi ako na-order ng spicy ba? So yan muna yung mga kinuha kong flavors. We're going to eat na. Kay mama yan rice. Kay mama yan rice. Gusto mo na ng rice. Ayun, rice. You what? You will eat. Pwede hindi mag-eat. Ano flavor yan, be? Jacob, sayang hindi ka sumama. Chicken. Sarap mo. Tikim na, baby. Konti. Ate Charmel, oh. Ay. Ito na lang. Fries na lang, oh. Kuha na yung fries. Fries. Okay? Ako, nalilipin ko. Kaya mo ah. Nawala mo ang mga buwan na. Kaya natin ko. Ganon. Alam ko, oh. Not to. Ay, walang pagkalang cheese. Walang cheese. Again. Tara natin. Larawin mo tayo. Tara. Okay? Okay? Mama, ito mo ka. Ay, cheers, cheers. Dali. Ay, dali. Ay, cheers. You eat, eat. Cheers, cheers. Cheers. Cheers, ate, cheers. Hindi mo pa naman yun na yung baon mo. Asan yung eat? Sarap? Ilang cheese oh, sarap? Sarap yan. Sarap, be. Be. Sarap. Itong isa ayaw kumain. Why? Why? Kausap niya si Jacob. Si Jacob kasi hindi nakasama eh. Pakita mo si Jacob dali. Kaso naka-off cam naman siya. Baby, don't stand. Don't stand.
Mama!
Hi.
Mama, what is this? Yay! Mama! Please help me! Please help me!
Help you what? Salted egg. Beto order ulit ako ng ano, ng garlic parmesan na dagat eh. Kapka. Honey barbecue. Ito yung honey barbecue. Alam ko honey barbecue to, Ben. Sarap naman lahat ng chicken nila. Ha? Sorry, matamis? Sobrang tamis to. So tamis. Sarap yung garlic parmesan sa salted egg. Order ulit kami. I think meron dito Korean. Spicy Korean, buffalo,
Spicy cheese.
spicy cheese, tapos ano ulit, garlic parmesan. Ang ate ko kasi mahilig sa spicy. Musin mo yan pa yan.
This is super spicy.
Hindi maganda, makakakain ako.
Init.
Eh, itong bata na tapos na mag-meal, ayaw kumain. Si Rhea, likot lang siya. Chicken. Yummy chicken. Ha? Namay ito? Not right ito.
Ayaw.
Order mo? I love you. I love you. Cheers and like cheers. Cheers. Ayaw niya mag Ang pangababoy mo nga naman. ate. So, say hi, ate. Paano kay ate? Nagayahin na yan. Nagtitilaan silang dalawa.
Tumayo ka dyan.
Oh, huwag ka lalabas. Bawal lumabas, ha? Hi. Hi. No. 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 Sige. Oo. Yan, sige, tinuruan mo sa mga ganyan. Yung batang yan eh. Lo. Lo. Ano? Ano? Oh. Ay, ala, sige. Doon ka kay Ate Sherman. Doon kay Ate Sherman. Hoy, Mireya, di mo sabi. What happened to you? Ano nangyari sa'yo na? Kasi, napupupo kasi siya. Ginulubog niya yung buhok niya. Okay ka lang ba? Para ka namang pulubing ewan. Diyan, napakagulo naman ang buhok mo na. Okay ka lang? Okay? Nagpupupo siya. Nagpupupo. Yan. Habang nagpupupo siya, nakakamot siya ng ulo. Kaya ganyan yung itsura niya. Oh. Itsura mo ngayon, pe. Ano ba yan? Ayan. Nangiti ba? Good mo. Good mo lang na. What is that?
Oh,
What's that?
burger.
Yes. Eh, ano yan?
No, what's that?
Ketchup, ketchup.
What's that?
Ketchup kami yan, ketchup.
Wow, very good naman ang baby na yan.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Eh,
Very
ano to,
good
ketchup?
naman pala baby ko eh.
Lagyan mong fries, lagyan mong fries.
Oh,
Oh, mahulog ka.
hulog ka. Ayos ikaw. Ayos ikaw, ayos. Hulog ka.
Mahulog ka. Gaya ka dito.
Mami, yolk.
Wow, heart.
What? Miraya, what did you say? Mami, yolk? Ha? Anong titingnan ni Mama? Miraya.
Burger.
Burger.
What?
It's a burger.
What's the color of the burger? What? Yan, masaya siya.
Wala na kung ano-ano
Yan
na
siya
drawing mo
mag-drawing
dyan sa
dyan.
burger natin.
What? Again, baby? Ha?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Oh, you ask Ate Shermel. Ask Ate Shermel to look at it. Dali. Mireya. Ask Ate Shermel to look at it. Dali.
Ate, yolk.
Chicken, chicken. Gusto mo
Mireya.
chicken?
Mireya Jean, yuk.
Maria, yolk.
Ano gusto mo?
Yolk.
Raise natin burger.
Maria, yolk. Hey, yolk.
Hindi mo gagawin tayo chicken.
Maria, yolk. Maria Jean, yolk.
What are you doing?
Hey, yolk. Yolk.
Niloko ka ni ate. Yung pagawok.
Mireya Jean. Mireya Jean, look at ate.
Maria Jean, yolk. Mia, yolk.
What's that?
Fried chicken.
What's that? What? Look at mama. Hey, look at mama.
Oh, ano yan?
What's that? What's that? Ha? Can I see? What?
Stick? Alagyan.
Is that your pupu? That's your pupu
Ay,
eh.
yung ketchup. Lagyan mo ketchup, oh. Color red. Ketchup, oh. Lagyan mo ketchup yung fried chicken mo. Ha? Ano? Ah, na-drown ka yung ketchup, oh. Ketchup. Ketchup. Lagyan mo Coke.
What's that? What?
Mabaliktad.
O, pakita mo kay ate dali.
Picture.
Ha?
Na ano may ano tab? Ayan. Who's that?
Ate Shermel yan. Kasi Mireya Jean naman. Draw mo si Mireya Jean. Draw Mireya Jean.
Ano ginawa mo sa lips niya?
Gusto niya marami lipstick eh. No, mukha kang lipstick kasi eh. What will I look at?
Apple.
Hey, apple. Mia, look. Maria, look.
Ganda ng upo mo ah.
Apple. Hanggang mo uod.
Nagdo-drawing ang baby ko. Oh. Suot-suot niya na yung binili ko sa kanya na pang kids class with anti-radiation. Kasi mahilig siya mag-drawing kasama niyang ate Shermel.
Ate Shermel. Mia, look.
Yoke daw, yoke.
No, Mia.
No, Mia, yoke. Ganda naman ng salamin ng baby ko na yan, no? Ganda yung salamin. You like that? You like your eyeglass? What's the color of your eyeglass?
Pink.
Pink. Is that pink? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ang galing naman ng baby na yan. Ganda yan. May kasama na yung casing. Very nice for kids. Hi, Mireya Jean. Kangkado ka ba sa kabilang buhay? Oh! Ayan. Sige, oh. You're eating eh. You're eating then you're jumping. Oh.
Mia.
Yoke!
My sugar.
I have sugat. Where? Where's the sugat?
No jumping. You got sugat again.
Ah, you're eating it. Oh, 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 oh. What will you say? What will you say? Ay, what will you say to tita? What? What? What will you say? Mireya, what will you say?
No.
What will you say to tita? Akin na nga yan? Hindi
Tissue.
marunong mag-thank you? Akin na? Hindi marunong mag-thank you? Dito mama?
No.
O, you say thank you muna.
No.
Say thank you.
Oh no.
Ano ko? No, akin na?
No.
O, say thank you.
Tissue, tita.
Tissue. Tissue. Tissue.
Yoke. Yoke.
Look, 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 look.
Nantuwa ka sa sarili mo.
Yung look. What? Yung look niya, yoke. Tapos yung...
Stop, 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 stop.
Stop what?
Tissue?
Ulit mo ah.
Mommy, look.
Mami, yoke. Mami, yoke.
Mommy, look.
Ah, hinahalo mo ice cream. Hindi naman hinahalo yung ice cream ng ganyan, babe. Malambot na.
Hello, ice cream.
Ah, malambot na nga eh.
Ice cream.
Thank you. Baby na, baby na. Okay na. Baby naman. Baby. Bebe, nagkakalat ka lang. Hindi ganyan kumain. What are you doing? Ikot ice cream. Ayan, ganyan siya kumain. Nalibutan ko na ng tissue kasi subo ng subo eh. Ayan, ayan. Ay! Subo! Ang kalat na natin dito. Ang so kalat. Oh, tingnan mo kung paano ka kumain ng ice cream. Grabe naman yung batang yan. Grabe naman.
Halo ice cream.
Ikot alo ice cream. Grabe na kalat mo, baby. Lalang gawin tayo
Mommy
dito.
shark.
Ah.
This is.
No, don't mix it na. Just eat it na, baby.
Ikot. Halo ice cream.
What happened?
Oh,
Oh, wag ka mo sa damit mo. Get a tissue. Get a tissue. What did you say?
Baba, baby.
What did you say?
Baba. Mommy.
Rosary ko ang aking ate Sherman. Puro delata. Puro delata pang stock. Nabe? Ito ang baby ko makulit. Reggie, say hi. Maria. Hey. Baby ko makulit. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Baba, baby.
Ah, no baba. Bawal baba, baby.
Ay, money.
No baba.
Baba, baby.
No baba. No baba, baby. You follow Ate Sherman. You follow. Just follow ate, okay? Mamaya tatakbo. Wow, magkakabasag din. No, no. No, no. What are you saying, Mireya Jean? Likot eh, oh.
What we gonna get? Jean.
Para na naman siyang bruha. Para na naman bruha.
Let's go.
Mireya Jean, ano gusto Mireya Jean? Get your food? You want to get your food later? Later you get your food na. Yes. You want milk? You want Yakult? Dutch milk? Ha? You get later, okay?
Magic sarap. 18 na to. Sa suka, we have toyo, we have meat, pati.
What? You want ice cream? Because you're done eating ice cream. Dito talagang batang yan. You want chicken? Oo, 10 punta. Here lang, here lang. Here lang, ha? You want to put here again? Magluluto ang ate. Ano kayo lulutuin niya? Hey, stop that. No! No, no. Ay! O, talaga eh. Ayan, isa pa daw. Dami na lulutuin ng ate. What's that? Chicken breast?
Chicken tender.
What do you want?
Yellow.
What? Okay, ate daw want Dutch meal. You want Dutch meal like this?
Open.
No, later na. No, later to later. What else?
Okay, bata na. Let's put that to cart.
What else?
You want
Sige ka mo.
Yakult C2.
Don't Dutch meal, oh. Don't get Dutch meal there, oh. There, come on. Here. There. Go there. Dutch meal there, oh. There. No. No, C2 na. You go get Dutch meal. Here, oh.
What do you
This. Oh, what else? Oh, get another one. Oh, you want both violet? You want both purple? You don't want strawberry? Oh, you want this one? What else?
Yogurt. You want
Ice
yogurt? We have
cream?
ice cream na.
May yogurt pa yan.
Ay.
I want that alak oh. Sabi mo ano? Nakatulog na ang bebe ko. Tulog na baby. Napagod na yan. Pagod na siya kasi sa 7 na oh. Wala pa siyang tulog.